Today we'll be doing a tour of University of South Florida by car. Go ahead. USF has a very large campus, and it would take quite a long time to walk the entire distance. Right now we are coming down the main entrance to the university. What we are going to do is do the tour going around the perimeter of the university first, and then we will come back at the end to the main part of the campus where most of the students are located. This part of the campus is where most of the athletics are. There's the Alumni Center. Here we have some of the athletic fields. That is a museum of science, the Tampa Mosey Museum of Science. That's actually not part of the university. There's the baseball field. And this is the Sun Dome right here. This is where the USF basketball teams play. There are also concerts here. Graduation ceremony is done here. Anything that requires a large audience. Here's the baseball field. Selman Athletic Center. Zoom it out, I can. Thank you. It's the Campus Recreation Center, and this is the parking area for the Sun Dome, which I believe is now called the Ewing Center. Let's go back out that way. Here are the basketball courts, tennis courts. And there's another view of the Ewing Center. USF has about 40,000 students currently. If you are planning on attending USF or thinking about it, it's highly recommended that you do a campus tour. They schedule campus tours twice daily, Monday through Friday, one at 10 o'clock, one at 2 o'clock. And then they also have, once a month, they do them on Saturdays. You just go online to their website and you can sign up for the campus tour. It's a more in-depth walking tour. These apartments across the street here are off-campus housing. USF was established in 1956. This past year it just received preeminent status. There were only 3 schools in Florida that have preeminent status. It's Florida University, Florida State, and now USF. We're now heading towards the resident halls. Most of the dormitories are for freshman students. There's enough dormitory space here for all incoming freshmen. Unless you live near this area, you're required to spend your first year in a dorm. Most students live off campus the rest of their time here at USF, but some students do stay on campus. These are the residence halls here at USF. These are brand new. There's a mixture of different style dorms. This is Cypress here. And we're coming up on Holly. Holly is all brand new. They have traditional style dorms where you have a roommate and there's a bathroom on the hallway. They also have apartment style dorms where you have a roommate and then you share a bathroom inside your unit. They also have apartment style dorms where you have your own bedroom and you share a bathroom. And I believe you have a kitchenette too. And like I said, these are all brand new. When you do the resident tour, they will also have an optional dormitory tour if you want to see what the rooms actually look like. As I said, this is a very large campus, so that's why we're doing the car tour today. Check out my other videos. We will be doing other dormitories, other tours, including a dorm room tour and a walking tour of the campus. Those will be coming up soon. And we just wanted to show you, this is a brand new Publix that is on campus. Just do a U-turn. Right there. And that's available for anybody to access, but it's great for the students. We are now heading over towards the west side of the campus. And a lot of people don't realize that USF has a very large medical campus. There is a hospital, and it's all part of the pre-med program. Takes a minute to get over here. There are buses that run all over campus. I think they start around 7 in the morning and they continue until about 10 o'clock at night. Here's one of the buildings. There's a parking garage. Another one of the buildings. At USF they have 24-hour security. You'll notice these little areas with blue boxes. Anytime you feel threatened, you just push the button and somebody will be there within 2 minutes. Some more medical buildings down this street. Right there. Another parking garage. And that pretty much covers the medical aspect of USF. In front of us, communication sciences and disorders. Oh, just a quick view. There's the main hospital right there. Just go ahead and go down there. This is an actual hospital. It's the Moffitt Cancer Center. A lot of students do their residencies here. Now we'll be heading towards the main part of campus. Here's Poplar Hall. That's another dormitory building. That's closer towards the engineering part of the campus. It's one of the older dormitories. Buildings in front of us are part of the engineering department. They have three main buildings. If you're in engineering or STEM programs, that's what we'll be taking most of your classes along with math. Here's Juniper Hall. That's a dormitory. Here's a parking garage. This would be for Juniper Hall, Poplar Hall, Magnolia dormitories, and the engineering. It's currently in the summer here at USF, so that's why you don't see a lot of students and faculty walking around. It's a research building. Again, this is the main engineering buildings. Go straight to the stop sign and turn left. here's some more of the STEM type buildings. These are where you'll be taking your classes. Now we're back to the main entrance to USF. This is Leroy Collins Boulevard. If you're coming here to visit, this is the road you'll take. It's off of Fletcher Avenue, which is one of the main roads through Tampa. When you enter through the main entrance, you'll come all the way as far as this road goes, and then the parking garage will be on the right. First building on the right is the library. And this is a science building on the left. This is the main parking garage for visitors right here. It's free to park on 3 of the levels. Turn there, turn right there. Some more classrooms. This is chemistry. Here's bioscience. And here are some more classroom buildings, and right on the other side of these buildings is the Marshall Student Service Center. We can't drive over to that area, but it's right on the other side of those buildings there. And that is the Student Services Building. And that pretty much is the tour from car of USF. Some of the buildings in the center of campus you have to walk to see them, such as the Marshall Student Service Center. And there's 1 or 2 buildings. The food court is in the Marshall Students Center. And this is the exit. We're on the way out now. And we hope you enjoyed your tour of USF by car. If you like it, please subscribe. The more subscribers we get, the more videos we'll make. We're hoping to make more videos of USF, like I said, including dormitory tours and walking tours. Check out our other videos. We stream from all over West Central Florida. If there's anything you'd like us to stream, please leave a comment. And again, please subscribe. Thank you.